Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the details of beauty products to help you make informed decisions. Let's talk about Neutrogena's Rapid Wrinkle Repair Retinol Face Moisturizer, a product that promises to target those pesky fine lines, wrinkles, and dark spots. Neutrogena, a trusted name in skincare, claims that this moisturizer will reverse visible skin aging by improving the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines in just a matter of weeks. But does it live up to the hype? Let's break it down. Neutrogena's Rapid Wrinkle Repair Moisturizer contains a potent mix of retinol and hyaluronic acid. Retinol is renowned for its ability to boost cell turnover and reduce the appearance of wrinkles, while hyaluronic acid helps plump the skin, providing that much-needed hydration. The product claims to visibly reduce under-eye, cheek, and crow's feet wrinkles and improve skin texture and tone. Plus, it's free from parabens, mineral oil, and dyes, which is a bonus for those looking for cleaner formulations. I've been using this cream daily for the past few weeks, and here's what I've experienced. The texture of the cream is light, but creamy enough to feel moisturizing. It absorbs quickly into the skin without leaving any greasy residue, which makes it a great option for both morning and evening use. My skin feels hydrated and smooth after each application, which is something I've appreciated as a daily anti-aging product. What impressed me the most is how gentle the retinol formula is. While many retinol-based products can be harsh, this one seems designed to minimize irritation, which is great for those with more sensitive skin. The brand claims that you'll see smoother skin in a week, and I can definitely attest to the fact that my skin texture has improved. There's a noticeable softness, and my complexion looks more even overall. I did, however, notice that it took a bit longer to see improvements on the more stubborn wrinkles around my eyes and mouth. While it's been effective on fine lines and overall hydration, those deeper wrinkles require more time to truly fade, as with most retinol products. Patience is key when dealing with anti-aging products. Now let's break down the pros and cons. The pros: the cream's texture is smooth and hydrating, perfect for daily use. It's free from parabens and mineral oils, which is a win for sensitive skin. The combination of retinol and hyaluronic acid offers both anti-aging and hydration benefits. I noticed smoother skin and more even tone in just 1 week. The cons: the formula might take a little longer to show significant results on deeper wrinkles, so it may not be as fast-acting for those looking for dramatic change. It's a bit pricey compared to other drugstore options, especially considering the amount of product in the jar. Value for money? It's a tricky one. Neutrogena's Rapid Wrinkle Repair comes in at a higher price point for a drugstore brand, but considering its performance and the brand's reputation, it's relatively justified. The results, while gradual, are effective, especially for those who want a solid, everyday anti-aging cream. In comparison to other products on the market, there are similar retinol-based creams from brands like Olay or Rosé that come at a lower price point, but Neutrogena's product stands out due to its gentle formulation, which may be more suitable for those with sensitive skin or those new to retinol. The build quality of the packaging is solid, with a sturdy jar that holds the cream securely. However, like with most jars, there's the issue of exposure to air every time you open it, which can slightly degrade the product over time. If you want something more hygienic, pump bottles are usually preferred. As for longevity, I've been using this daily for a few weeks, and the jar is still going strong. So I expect it to last for about 2 to 3 months, depending on how often you apply it. When it comes to customer support, Neutrogena is known for its reliable service, though I haven't personally needed to contact them for this product. Based on my experience with the brand, I expect any concerns to be handled with professionalism and care. Now, if you're on the hunt for alternatives, there are certainly other options that provide similar benefits at a more budget-friendly price. The Olay Regenerist Retinol 24 Night Moisturizer, for instance, is a great choice for those who want the benefits of retinol without breaking the bank. To wrap it up, Neutrogena's Rapid Wrinkle Repair Retinol Face Moisturizer offers a solid anti-aging solution, especially for those who want a gentle yet effective product. If you're new to retinol or have sensitive skin, this could be a great fit. It's not an overnight miracle, but with consistent use, you will see noticeable improvements in your skin's texture and hydration. If this review has been helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for tuning in, and if you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know what your experience has been like. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.